Sup. Back again with some more Sandstorm Pirate Wars. So, yeah. Not. Somebody gonna get their ass beat today. Like, I'm not joking. Somebody gonna get their fucking ass beat. No, I'm not fucking kidding. Somebody gonna get their ass fucking beat. Nigga, like, seriously. Somebody's gonna get their ass fucking sound. You better give me my damn fucking crate before I beat somebody's ass, because somebody's gonna be fighting me for it. I'm not kidding. I have 2 missions available. I don't give 2 fucking shits what I have available. I just want my dough, aka your bolts that they give you after you complete a mission. Let's go for the red or yellow. They give you more than the green, but I'll just go for a green mission just to get a mission out of it. Seems like 3 butchers. I can pay you 4,590 bolts. Faggot. You're not paying a fair price. Paying good. So, tell me more. I don't have a ship to carry the stuff, and it could be your opportunity to earn some resources. What do I say? You're one of those dudes with those fucking damn masks on. I don't seem trustworthy towards you, but I don't give 2 shits. I make the wrong choices when it comes to this game. Seriously, I do. Because, I mean, I just really do make the wrong choices when it comes to this game. Like, seriously, I really do. It's not even funny. Kill 5 scavengers. 3 butchers. So the only one that I don't really have to travel anywhere is that way. So now we're gonna have to go all the way halfway up the fucking map again. Shit. Fuck me. Fuck. Damn. Old Haven. Like I said, that's a place on Borderlands, which is real fucking funny. That has the same damn name as in this game. Yellington. Weird ass town. Low dunes. I haven't run into nobody yet. Seriously, I want to run into somebody. I need to raid some damn ships. Seriously. Oh, I still gotta travel to another different part of the map. Damn. Find the damn place already. Seriously. Kraken's Den. Could travel up. I could see this right here. I could travel up all the way up this way and down that way, or I could just go through up in here. So this way seems shorter, so I'm just gonna take this way. Hopefully I'll see some ships to raid. Nope, not on that trail. Better run some ships soon, because you gotta get in on the action, bud. Come on, give me some action. Gonna kick somebody's. Oh shit. Raven. Different front head. And he's got a stunner. Unknown bastards. Fucking get their asses kicked. Take a stunner. Yeah, I do. I do need all this light.
Really?
Yeah.
The one right behind you's not bright enough?
Not really.
Why?
Just not.
You've got 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got enough light to light up a building.
Not necessarily. No. Damn TV. Wow, way to ruin the video, bitch. Level 3? Seriously? I can take 1 hit at those flares. Couple hits at that mic system. I took his ass down real fucking quick. Don't you let out that antidote. 30 percentage on my phone. Damn it. Almost dead. Fuck, I need to charge it. But I don't want to end the video. Damn. We'll all be asleep eventually. Won't we? Not necessarily. Be a dick about it. Oh, tag me anyways, send another shit. You never know, I could have actually gotten some bolts out of that if it would have helped him, but I decided not to. Sometimes I make the wrong choices when it comes to this game. I call the couch when I'm sleeping. Are you sure, Josh? Are you fixing to go to bed too, Grandpa?
Not for a little while, but I'm just locking all the doors.
Of course, you don't want anybody break into your house.
Well, I just don't think they need to be messing around with my...
Well, because if you didn't lock your doors, then you'd get your house get broken into. That wouldn't be real fucking smart, now would it?
Well, I would much rather that they were locked than that they woke me up breaking in, because then I would blow them back out the door with shotgun.
Grab the 22.
No, I have a shotgun. That's what I would grab.
I'd still got the 22. Why are y'all watching River Monsters? Jay. Wake your ass up. Way to dim up the light. Trying to get a good light angle. "14-foot my ass." Kill 4 or 5 scavengers, 1 more. I'm not finding very many butchers that I need to kill like I'm supposed to. Did I finally get to where I needed to go? About fucking time. I found my ship to equip. Equip what? That damn mic system? I could upgrade actually, that would help out. Should I upgrade the mic or my defenses? You know what? I'm gonna save up my bolts and my power cells to upgrade. You got any other missions we can do besides the ones that we just did? I think we got 2 more left. Yeah, just butchers and scavengers. So I'm just gonna kind of gallivant around the map, see if I can find anyone, either one of them to kill. Get my bolts off of them, get my damn rewards, nigga. Need what I want, need resources. I had a lot more bolts than that, and I blew them all up on upgrading this damn thing, because it cost me 440,000. I had a lot more. I think I had like 880,000, literally. Damn, this guy's got tentacles coming out of his mouth. Ugly. Ugly son of a bitch. Don't make me laugh. One plasma shot, nigga. You down. Just gonna go ahead and use that shit booster. Kind of boost up my energy. Wow, it didn't. I thought that would take his ass down. What the fuck, man? Oh, that's because he's level 4, no wonder. Level 3s or level 2s lower than that can take one shot. If he would have been a level 1, one cannon, one minigun shot would have taken his entire ass out, I guarantee you. Albert Troll. This guy's a nigger. Negro. Negro. Sorry to be racist, but Negro. People are gonna be putting you comments on YouTube, great, call me racist. Probably. Not that it bothers me. Oh, damn. Excuse me. I had to sneeze. Damn, why is you repairing your shit? Didn't take any of my defenses out, that's for fucking sure. I'll kick your ass if you even attempt that shit, nigga, cause you will get your ass beat. I don't ever do the Ace reward because it takes forever to load the damn video, and I don't want an ad to play through this video. Come on, where's the third damn butcher at? Seriously, I need to find one more. Come on, damn it. Not joking. Okay. Well, since we can't find the third one, I'll let you know if I do. That's the end of this video. Catch you guys later.